Hello friends, it was a real pleasure to have you all here today in the Train the Super Trainer program. From morning till evening, we are just watching. Everything is so systematic. From the pen, from water to the washrooms. We all are feeling so comfortable in this hall. And the amount of learning what we got in this 8 hours is something unbelievable. So many facts of training. Being a trainer since so many years, just didn't know. Brigadier Sushil's vast experience helped me to enrich and save 5 years of my learning. Thank you, Brigadier. Brigadier, you rock. Team TPST, you rock. Thank you.
Happy to be here at the Train the Trainer program conducted by my dear friend Sushil Bhasin. There was so much of learning, sharing, and he wants to give this to the people back through programs. I'm so happy that he has talked about the program, how people can become good trainers and great trainers. The amount of energy that he has shown today in the program reflects a lot about him. The years in service in the army are reflected the way he stood today for those 8 hours and spoke to people. The amount of energy he carries, I wish and want each of the people who have attended the program should participate in the 9-day program which he has offered today. I'm sure they will grow in life. As for me personally, I'm so happy to be with him and happy to have him in my life. Looking forward to sharing his thoughts, my thoughts together to grow and create abundance in the lives of people, especially traders, to grow in life. Thank you very much once again for being here. This is Harish Mehta, a speaker, a business coach, an executive coach.
Hi, this is Mahendra. I've just attended Brigadier Sir's program, and what I find is this is superbly amazing. The type of content, the type of message which Sir has tried to convey to us, it has directly gone into our heart. We are superbly impressed with the Sir's intention, their passion, and I think anybody who will attend this session, their life will be transformed. Thank you so much.
Shyam Jitnani, and I've attended such seminars, but then this is one of the best seminars that I've ever attended. And what I would like to say is that if you know where you want to go, there's nothing like it. If you don't know where you want to go, still there's nothing like it, because this man is going to help you out, find your way and get you there. Thank you.
Hi, so this is Ashutosh Sagi, and this is program that I am here for by Brigadier Sushil Bhasin on how to train a super trainer. Very effective session, 1-day interactive session that we had today here. Essentially, a lot of things to learn from, because what was opened up to us, full range of skill sets or attributes that you would require. So obviously it is an overview program, so it's a preparatory program. There's much more details which would come in later programs. But it's the orientation, why to become a trainer. What is that overall objective? So is the purpose? Do you really have the passion? Those are the key aspects, something which was touched upon, and very engaging discussions that we had. I'm looking forward to many more sessions like this. Thank you.
It was great to listen to Brigadier Sushil today. And let me tell you, I've attended around, in the past 6 months, I've attended many seminars in Mumbai of various trainers. I found them all, I don't want to use such words, but I was not happy when I attended any of those seminars. And I remember when I had got an email from Sir, and I told him that I've attended many, but I hope yours is different. And truly today it was different. He's more of, as it is, he's from the army, so he knows what he has to teach. Other people don't even know what they have to teach. So he was very perfect, very professional, and very down to earth. And I'm happy that I came for the seminar today. And I hope that we could synergize our knowledge of health with the management skills that he's going to impart through his various trainings. And I think that today this is what India needs. India needs dedicated and good people like Brigadier Sushil to train the youngsters, because coming from a background of the army really makes a difference. And Even the army people are involved, and I'm sure you'll understand that you're going to get the best because they've been through it and they've done it. Unlike the other people who don't even have any background and they're all coming to training the trainers. And with his background of the Indian Army, and he's coached so many people, he's brought out so many soldiers in our Indian Army and armed forces, and he's been training people for the past 20-30 years. I think anybody and everybody should definitely attend one of his free workshops and then be motivated to attend his other workshops also. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Hi, my name is Benita Dua and I'm the CEO of Vanilla Skills. I attended Brigadier Hasin's program today and I'm amazed at how much knowledge he's willing to give away just like this. I have yet to come across someone who's as giving as he is. I have already subscribed for his Super 9 and I hope you guys too. Thank you.